Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's Imani here. So today I'm going to show you how to get a flawless face featuring Deck of Scarlet. This video is sponsored by Deck of Scarlet. So I'm going to be showing you their flawless face bundle along with 3 of their new lip oils. You all already see what we're working with. You know, if this is your first time watching the beat, welcome. And if this is not your first time, you already know what it is. Okay. Don't forget to subscribe and put your bell on for notifications so that you never miss an upload. And without further ado, let's jump into the video.
So I'm just going to speed through my face. You all know I do this the same every time. So I'm going to leave all the products I used in the description box.
So we're going to start with the Flawless Face Bundle. I got this beautiful box from Deck of Scarlet. It is so sleek and it is also packaged really beautifully. So we have badass formula, good for you ingredients. You can follow Deck of Scarlet on Instagram at Deck of Scarlet. In the Flawless Face Bundle, you get the Mistake Proof Blush and Bronzer combo, along with the Double Take face brush. One side is for contour, one side is for blush. You also get a Deck of Scarlet travel case. It has the name written on the front. This is super cute and clear so that you can see all your makeup. So I got the darkest bronzer in the shade Untamed. There are 4 bronzer shades. So this is how the bronzer packaging looks. It is a glass bottle. It's pretty weighted, very sleek. Blush looks the same. It just says blush in the front and you have to really shake it up. This is very similar to like airbrush makeup, but without the whole contraption and all that. Okay, I'm actually really excited to hear that. There's a ball in there that you need to shake up. But let's get into the bronzer. So I haven't put on my bronzer yet. I'm really excited to try this, y'all. 1 pump of this sprayable bronzer delivers an airbrushed, poreless finish and an instant sun-kissed effect, minus a cakey, weighty appearance. Score that post-vacation glow without running through your air miles. Y'all know we are not traveling. So let's see if we can get that sun-kissed glow from this mistake-proof bronzer. So when you open it up, it looks like that. Hold about an inch away and spray directly onto the Double Take face brush or sponge, then blend over areas of your face where the sun naturally hits. Oh, okay. All right. I'm liking what I'm seeing so far. Let me spray some more. Can you all see that? Wow, that is looking really good. This is a really interesting product. I've never used anything like this before. So when I spray it, I just tap it on the back of my hand and then I go in. So I'm just gonna put some on my forehead. This brush is also very soft, so it's really helping me to buff this in. I'm also going to do my jawline. Once we could travel again, y'all, I would definitely take this on vacation with me, giving me the vibes and so easy. Okay, so that was Untamed, and then I'm gonna go in with the blush. For the blush, there are 6 shades and I have the shade Brazen, and Brazen is a rich peachy pink. So I'm gonna really shake it up. I'm gonna spray it on the back of my hand. So this is how the color is looking, and then I'm just gonna wipe it. Smile. That's nice. Add a little color to the cheeks. Y'all, and I'm wearing orange today, so that was why. That's a beautiful shade. It's giving me very much so cream blush vibes. Very dewy on the skin. So I would say for application, spray it on the back of your hand because it kind of got everywhere and we don't want that. So just go ahead and spray it on your hand. Or if you have a mixing palette, you could go ahead and spray it there. Use the brush and, you know, just gently apply that color. I absolutely love how this is looking. I'm gonna put my highlight on. So we have one more thing to try on. I also got another box. I got 3 lip oils. So these are called the 3-way solid lip oils, and I got the shades Bordeaux Baby, Merlot Mauve, and Scarlet Passion. Very festive for the holidays, and that came with a little travel pouch. This is so cute. Wow, and it's red on the inside. They fit perfectly inside here. So let's do some quick swatches. This is the packaging, super sleek, and when you open it up, you just need to press this and it comes up. Oh wow. This shade is called Merlot Mousse. I did not expect that from this because it kind of looks like it's a stick, but then when you put it onto your lip, it's like an oil. I am loving this. Ooh. This one is Scarlet Passion. Wow, this is gorgeous. I'm kind of blown away by these. The way that it comes out is like you don't expect it. It's like a gloss. Absolutely gorgeous. Love this one. Ooh. Okay, so the last one is called Bordeaux Baby. This is my favorite one, very fall appropriate. I knew I saved the best one for last. Okay guys, I absolutely love this shade, Bordeaux Baby. This is definitely my favorite. I also really like the bronzer and blush combo. Like I said before, spray it onto your hand and then use the brush. I think that's the best way to do it. The packaging is very sleek. You get 0.94 ounces in here. The bundle does retail for $69. I would definitely recommend you checking it out. There will be a link in the description where you can shop the Flawless Face Bundle. I also love the lip oils. Y'all, I'm so blown away. You know how I feel about lips. Y'all saw how it went from like a stick, kind of like a pencil, to an oil? What? Okay guys, so I did the eye look on my Instagram. So if you want to check it out, please go over there. Remember, I promised you that I was going to do this eye look. You know, you can follow me on my social media platforms. It's Lit Up Beat on Instagram and The Beat Inc. on Facebook. And without further ado, thank you so much for watching guys and have a great night. Bye.